Okay, I was appreciating you guys. I said that I really appreciate you guys because you guys gave us more than we paid for. And the thing has really gone a long way to help him. Being that he's a child with autism, he's autistic.
I didn't even know.
Yeah, he still learns a lot from what you guys did, both English, maths, and coding. And it has really helped him, even though he was saying it was like his therapist who always is with him said, you guys said you're not going to do it till the end of because schools have started, but it has really helped him, and I really thank you guys. I don't know if you guys are working from Benin or whether you're working from Lagos. I mean, all of you. I know the coding guys in Lagos. So I really hope that you guys will continue to do this kind of thing, because it really helps. It has really helped him in particular. I would really appreciate it if you can continue. It has really gone a long way. We hope that these other children or other parents will be able to reach out to you guys and continue with the learning. I mean, if you can do it, even for adults, most of us would have liked to do something like this, especially those of us who are at home. But I don't know if you guys are looking towards the adults.